If you are over 60, what you drink daily may be more dangerous than it looks.
Let me tell you about Diane. Diane was 70, organized, careful, convinced of one healthy habit: her daily drink.
She thought these choices smart, but her blood sugar kept climbing.
Diane, confused, checking her glucose meter, looked frustrated at her doctor visit. She said, "But doctor, I don't even eat that badly." That was the trap.
She was thinking about food, not drinks.
Stay until the end. Drink number 7 is often defended, pushing blood sugar wrong.
These are 7 daily drinks that can spike blood sugar after 60.
Not because one sip ruins health, but because they're common, justified, and worse than realized.
First, fruit juice. It fools people, looks natural, sounds clean. Many think juice is fruit in a glass. That is not how the body sees it.
Fruit juice removes fiber, which matters. Fiber slows sugar absorption.
Without fiber, sugar arrives faster, especially with high-carb breakfast.
Diane drank juice, thinking it healthier than soda. Sounds reasonable, but blood sugar doesn't care.
It responds to what reaches the bloodstream, and juice can get there fast.
Seniors drink juice with high-carb breakfast, creating a sugar-heavy start. Then they wonder why they feel hungry, shaky, foggy, or sleepy an hour later.
That is not mysterious. That is the crash doing exactly what the spike set up.
Second, sweetened coffee, not plain. Coffee loaded with sugar, creamer, syrup. This one is everywhere. Older adults don't count it honestly. It's just coffee? No.
It is dessert, wearing a coffee costume.
Diane's morning coffee looked harmless, but up close, it was full of sweet creamer.
That changes everything. The sugar load is the main problem, not the coffee.
Sweet coffee often becomes a daily habit. Every morning, afternoon, with pastry.
The blood sugar hit gets worse. People call it just coffee. That is self-deception.
After 60, count what's really in the cup, not what you wish.
Third, sweet tea or bottled tea. Older adults trust tea, but sweet tea is different.
Bottled tea drinks are often sugar bombs, pretending to be wellness.
Diane kept bottled tea, thinking it lighter, cleaner. That was marketing, not biology.
Sugar in tea, bottled or poured, means the tea part stops saving you.
A sweet drink is still a sweet drink. Damage works quietly. Familiar mistakes daily.
Fourth, regular soda. This should be obvious, yet many older adults drink it daily.
With meals, as a pick-me-up, or I've always had one. That excuse again. Soda delivers rapid sugar, no fiber, almost no nutrition. Just a fast hit.
Soda doesn't fill you up, so people drink calories and sugar and still eat more.
Sugary drinks work against weight, energy, blood sugar control. Diane drank it often enough.
After 60, often enough is a phrase older adults need to take seriously.
Fifth, sports or sweet electrolyte drinks, often a scam for seniors. Many older adults aren't doing activities that justify liquid sugar with fancy colors. DINE drank these, thinking they helped hydration. But plain water is often enough.
Especially if the walk was light and not done in extreme heat.
These drinks sound athletic. That's how they fool people. If they contain a lot of sugar, they may spike blood sugar. Electrolyte doesn't make it harmless.
After 60, don't drink like an athlete to walk around the block. That is ridiculous. Let me pause here. Seniors struggle not from one dessert, but one normal daily drink.
That is the hidden truth. People hate hearing it when the habit feels comfortable.
Sixth, flavored milk or sweetened drinking yogurt. It hides behind health language.
Protein, calcium, vitamins. Sounds nice, but added sugar means the label isn't telling the full story. Diane bought drinking yogurt, thinking it's smarter than skipping breakfast, but convenience isn't control. Some drinks contain enough sugar to cause a problem, especially with other carbs.
Multiple fast carbohydrates before the day even begins. That is not a stable start.
After 60, stop trusting the front of the package. The front sells hope.
The back tells the truth. Truth.
Seventh, the healthy smoothie. This is one of the biggest traps.
Older adults feel proud. It has fruit, yogurt, honey, juice.
With sweetened powder or syrup, one healthy drink becomes a sugar flood. Diane loved smoothies, felt like wellness. But her blood sugar was not happy.
Cafe smoothies are huge, sweet, easy to drink quickly, easy to underestimate.
That is the danger. Liquids go down fast.
People consume more sugar when blended than when chewed.
Drink number 7 fools many. It feels like a health decision, not a treat.
That makes people lower their guard. That is when bad choices get powerful.
Reviewing Diane's week, the pattern became obvious. Too much liquid sugar.
Too many healthy labels. Too little honesty about what went into her body. That's the hidden truth. A daily drink can quietly become a daily blood sugar problem.
Not because it looks evil, but because it looks normal.
A glass with breakfast, a bottle with lunch, a can, a smoothie. The body keeps paying.
After 60, blood sugar stability, energy, and muscle preservation matter more.
Any deal with insulin resistance, prediabetes, diabetes, weight, medications. Stable routines are vital.
Drinks deserve more attention. Liquid sugar is easy to underestimate, justify, repeat, and regret.
One harmless daily drink can push things in the wrong direction.
I told Diane, stop drinking sugar casually. We reviewed each drink, when she had it, why she chose it, what it contained, and if she needed it. That is the adult approach. Not fear, not obsession, just honesty.
Once she paid attention, her routine became cleaner, choices smarter.
She stopped treating sweet drinks like harmless background noise.
Over 60. First, list everything you drink daily, not just soda.
Second, read labels on juice, bottled tea, sports drinks, smoothies, yogurt.
Third, stop assuming natural mean blood sugar friendly. That is not how it works.
Fourth, pay attention to patterns. Sleepy, hungry, shaky, foggy, rising glucose. That pattern matters. Finally, if you have diabetes or pre-diabetes, do not guess.
Review your routine with your doctor. Blood sugar problems don't improve with wishful thinking.
They improve with discipline.
If major blood sugar swings or urgent symptoms, talk to your doctor promptly.
For emergencies, seek urgent care. Don't pretend it will solve itself. That is recklessness. Diane found awareness. What feels normal isn't always helpful. Leave drink in comments if this helped.